Hi everyone, we're going to read Chapter 8, Handling Disappointment. We're going to read just the first part of the chapter today. So it says the main event, handling disappointments. Don't let changes throw you off course. Imagine being really excited about your end of the year class picnic at the park near school. Your mom packed your lunchbox with all your favorites, and your dad will bring you your bicycle so you can ride around with your friends. It's all planned. Then the day arrives, and you wake up in the morning and see that it is raining. When you get to school, your teacher tells you that the picnic has been canceled and that it is class as usual. How disappointing! Handling disappointment isn't easy. Believe it or not, even many adults have a hard time when something they had been looking forward to is changed or canceled. Handling disappointment means that a person has to deal with unexpected situations in a flexible way. Think of your brain as a rubber band. In order for a rubber band to do its job, it stretches in many different directions. Just like rubber band, our brains need to be flexible when something happens that disappoints us. When our brains are flexible, we are able to think about more than just what is disappointing us and focus on what we can do to make ourselves feel better. Here are some things you can do to stay flexible when facing disappointing situations. Stop and take 3 breaths. This will help you relax and help your brain stretch like that rubber band. Number 2, think about the situation and stick with the facts. When something disappointing happens, we tend to think mainly about the bad parts. Don't forget to think about the positives too. Most unexpected situations happen for a reason. Number 3, come up with at least 2 possible solutions. This may make that disappointing situation not so disappointing. 4, choose a solution that makes everyone happy. You may need to have an adult help you with this. Now, let's put these steps into action. When your teacher tells you that the class picnic has been canceled, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. That was the easy part, right? Now let's stick to the facts. The class picnic would not be very much fun in the rain. Everyone would have to carry around umbrellas or wear bulky raincoats. Plus, riding your bike would not be as fun in pouring rain. Let's come up with a few options. One idea would be to reschedule the picnic. You could check the weather forecast and suggest a few different dates. Another idea would be to have an indoor class picnic. It's time to share these ideas with your teacher and leave it to her to decide what to do. That is the final step in the process. Handling disappointment is not easy. It is important to practice these tips ahead of time. Try to handle disappointing situations by being flexible. You will probably find that they don't seem so bad after all. So remember, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, which a lot of us practice in a lot of situations anyway. Flex your brain, so allow it to be flexible and think about other things. And then think of at least one good thing about the situation, and then think of 2 possible solutions if you can. Okay, so now that this is over, you're going to answer some questions about this. Good luck.